Hi everyone, again this is Brian Villarosa, and today I'm gonna share how you can invest in an IPO through PSE Easy for local small investors. And this time I will be particular on the steps by steps because of each steps because just 12 minutes ago, as you can see here, I have received an email from the Philippine Stock Exchange Easy software platform wherein they are offering the IPO for Axilum Resources Corporation IPO. So just a little bit about Axilum. Axilum is a company that is about to go public. When you say public, I have shared some videos already in the previous ones. So please go back. You can revisit them. And please don't forget to subscribe in this YouTube channel so that you can receive updates whenever there is something new and updates regarding with matters such as finances, businesses, and of course income strategies. So right here once again, so this is the info new from PSE Easy at pse.com. A new IPO event has been published in PSE Easy with the following details. So event name, IPO of Axilum, company name, stock symbol AXLM, offer price is only 5 pesos, which is indeed true according to the postings in the social media. Then offer board lot is 100 shares. So when you say board lot, it's the minimum the dividends or divisors that you can avail. So minimum of 100 shares times 5, it's only for 500 pesos you can already subscribe or avail an IPO share. Minimum order is 1,000 shares. By the way, minimum order is different from board lot. Board lot is the divisor and the minimum order is 1,000 shares, meaning for 5,000 pesos pala, not 500. 5,000 pesos, you can be an IPO investor. You can invest, you can maximize your capital, or you can increase it by investing it in IPO. Maximum order is 20,000. So let's use a calculator. 20,000, I believe that's 100,000. Yes, that's true. It's indeed true that the maximum amount that an account can invest in the PSE Easy is 100,000. Next, start date 9/24. So today is 9/23. It will be tomorrow. End date is 9/30. That's going to be around 6 days. And the listing date would be 10/7 or October 7. What's going to happen here is the moment you are subscribed to an IPO, you will have the privilege to sell it during the listing date at the Philippine Stock Exchange. So meaning you can have this opportunity. We really don't know if it's going to go up or go down, but most likely IPOs, according to my previous videos, an average, the calculation, they reveal higher or they grow higher than the IPO price at the next 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So please go back, revisit my previous video. So for concerns relating to Axilum Resources, visit or contact these details. Alright, and where's the other? So I'm gonna share now how to subscribe through PSE Easy. So this is based on my practical experience. If you don't have an account yet in PSE Easy, simply go to pse.ec.com and you will see this interface. So here it is. So, sorry, if you already have an account, just go to active event. Here, it will start tomorrow. So if we go now to PSE, I'll go back to the home page. This is the home page. So there's no active event as of 9/23, but we would expect that by tomorrow, September 24, there will be the Axilum here. So there's under the upcoming IPO, we can see Axilum Resources. And then if we click it, we will have some details. Right? There it is. That's what the email says. Okay, edge link to the final terms and conditions. I'll just show you a little bit so that you can have some ideas. Okay, par, that's the par value. It's 1 pesos. Total number of shares is 4 billion. So 4 billion shares. Sorry, 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 times 5. They are planning to raise around 1 2, this is already million, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 1 and then this is already billion. So they are planning to raise 20 billion pesos out of this initial public offering. Okay, 20 billion peso offering to the public. If we're gonna based on the number of shares to be issued post offer. Okay, primary offers 700 million shares. Secondary offers, total offers. All right. Market capitalization post IPO. Yes, we're correct. That's 20 billion. Okay. So the name of the party, the underwriters, is First Metro Investment Corporation and BPI Capital Corporation. Stock transfer is BDO. Receiving agent Metropolitan or Metrobank. And here are the other relevant information. I won't read it. Just feel free to pause or read it so that you can have relevant information regarding this IPO that is coming tomorrow. Okay. And okay, final prospectus. I don't know if it's helpful, but nevertheless, let me show you for some company disclosures. All right, final prospectus from Axilum website itself. All right, here it is. So this means that the company is indeed releasing this IPO. Okay, it's kind of lengthy, so okay, feel free to read that. Okay, this is also in support of our coconut industry, since Axilum's main product line or line of business is coconuts, and we know that coconuts is very abundant in the Philippines since we are a tropical country. So in some way, theoretically, charitably speaking, biblically speaking, we are somehow loving our neighbor, supporting our neighbor if we support this industry. Implementing guidelines. Okay. So here are the guidelines. I'm just gonna show you a little bit. Alright, next video I'm gonna share to you tomorrow if in case I will be able to secure a stock offering under Call Financial, my broker. I'm gonna show you how I buy my PSE Easy. So please subscribe in this YouTube channel because I'm still fixing my PSE Easy account related to Call Financial due to that the email confirmation went to spam. So please stay tuned. I'm gonna share it in my next video regarding that issue that I'm trying to resolve. So if you're also encountering the same, you can relate to that and maybe somehow learn from it and successfully do your IPO transaction. And what else I'm gonna share? This one. Yeah, so also please make sure that in your broker account you have the ready shares to buy so that the moment it is executed you will be able to have the funds to buy it. So again, this is a very nice improvement, a very good improvement towards our economy. It's making we're making it more democratized to the local investors, local small investors. We're trying to reach inclusivity since investments are now more accessible to LSIs like you and me, and we can enjoy such an amazing opportunity for our country, helping raise up LSIs or startups, IPOs, companies that can hopefully fly in the industry and make a difference in this world, be a blessing. All right, so please stay tuned. I'm gonna share in the next video how to create a PSE Easy account and how to order or how to subscribe to IPO through PSE Easy. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Goodbye.